Yes, what was yesterday's last question? Junaid.
Sir, so yesterday you asked to find C naught square plus 2C1 square plus 3C2 square.
What's the answer?
2NCN, sir.
C naught square plus twice C1 square no? Plus 3C2 square.
Yes, sir, that one only.
The answer of this is 2NCN. This one we already have discussed.
Yes, sir.
This is different. Any answer from your side? See, here coefficients are multiplied by some constant. It means we have to differentiate the series. Okay. Consider, but if you differentiate directly, this term will vanish. We want this term also. If you differentiate, this term will vanish. We want this term, so multiplying both sides by x. Okay, multiplying both sides by x. Now, if we differentiate 1, 2, 3 here, okay, differentiating with respect to x. we have 1 plus x to the power n equals C0 plus twice C1x over C3x cube is 1. Now we got coefficients. Next we want C0 square plus twice C1 square and so on. So again consider the series x plus 1 to the power n. X plus 1 to the power n equals C0 x to the power n Now, if we multiply 1 and 2, this will be what? Coefficient of x to the power n. C0 square plus 2C1 square x to the power n, 3C2 square x to the power n, so on. So, if we multiply 1 and 2 and equating coefficients of x to the power n, both sides. Okay. Understood or not? So multiplying 1 and 2 and equating coefficients of x to the power n, both sides. Equating coefficients of RHS equal to C0 square plus twice C1 square plus thrice C2 square n plus 1 Cn square. Okay. X to the power n, x to the power n, x to the power n, so on. To multiply
Yes, sir.
any other term, which will, there is no other term which will give us x to the power n except these. Now we have to calculate LHS. Multiplying this 1 plus x to the power 2n plus nx one plus x to the power 2n minus 1. That is simple, equal to 2n Cn plus n into x is already here. We want x to the power n minus 1. 2n minus 1 Cn minus 1. Okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
already have x, so we want x to the power n minus 1. This is the coefficient of x to the power n in LHS. Okay. Now, first you write it.
Sir, I didn't get the last step. What did it?
Last step.
No, sir, upward just now. You have written. First, I understood, sir. Last, n2n minus. How did you?
Here x is already there.
Yes, sir.
So we want what here? X to the power n minus 1.
Yes, sir.
X to the power n minus 1 into x is how much? X to the power n. We
Yes.
want coefficient of x to the power n in this entire expression.
Yes.
You expand it binomially. This constant will remain constant. The term which involve x to the power n minus 1 here.
Yes.
Multiply that term with x. That will give us x to the power n.
Yes, sir.
So what is the coefficient of x to the power n minus 1 here? 2n minus 1 c n minus 1.
Yes. Got it.
Have you written it? Shall I rub it?
1 minute. Done, sir.
Now I'm rubbing it. Suppose just from here only you tell me, suppose I want the value of this. C0 square minus 2C1 square plus 3C2 square plus minus 1 to the power n. N is even, sorry, n minus 1. If n is even, it will be minus, n is odd minus 1, even is plus. Suppose we want this value, then what should we do? See, this series will be same. Here 2, 3 are there, so we have to multiply. We have to differentiate, but differentiating after multiplying by x, so that this term will remain. Now here we want C0 square minus C1 square. So which series we need to take here? X minus, just look at here. If I take x minus 1, it will be what? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now if you multiply these two, shall we get this one?
Yes, sir.
Multiplying 1 and 2 and equating coefficient of x to the power n. Same thing. Okay. So don't write it, just I'm telling you the other way. I'm rubbing it. Next, one more. Summation of r square, CR square. are going from 0 to n. R square into CR square. What is the value of this? So for R0, it is 0, R1. Let us expand it. 1 square, C1 square plus 2 square, C2 square plus 3 square, N square plus Cn square. See, coefficients have been multiplied by constant. It means we have to differentiate. And it is C1 square, C2 square. So we have to multiply two series. Okay. So here, not only one constant, two constants have been multiplied. It means we have to differentiate twice. Look at here. Take the same series. C0 plus C1x plus C2x square Cn x to the power n. Differentiating with respect to x. Now we want 1 square, 2 square. If you differentiate again, we won't get 2. So what should we do here?
Multiply with x again, sir. Multiply with x.
Multiplying with x and then again differentiate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, the series itself gives us all the whole idea. So multiplying with x. Nx into 1 plus x to the power n minus 1. C1x plus 3 C3x cube and Cn x to the power n. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x again. First, take care of these constants. After that, multiplication is simple. Differentiating with respect to x. C1, 2 square C2x, 3 square C3x square plus n square Cn x to the power n minus 1. Now this is 1, series number 1. And then takes the other series x plus 1 to the power n. Okay. X plus 1 to the power n. C0 x to the power n. C1 x to the power n minus 1. Power n minus 2.
If you put there x equal to 1, we will get, sir.
X equal to?
We get like that. X equal to 1.
Where?
In that equation only, sir.
First one.
Yes, sir.
Here square is there.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
C1
Yes,
square,
sir.
C2 square. Squares
Yes, sir.
are there, so we have to multiply it.
Multiply it.
Cn. Now multiplying 1 and 2, and which coefficient we should equate? C1 square will give us
Or n minus 1 is equal.
x to the power n minus 1. Multiplying 1 and 2 and equating coefficients of x to the power n minus 1 both sides. That's it. Just I'm writing and to simplify. Multiplying 1 and 2. That's it. So RHS will get this C1 square plus 2 square, C2 square plus 3 square, C3 square, so on. And LHS, you have to multiply this and take the coefficient of x to the power n minus 1. Okay. Any doubt anywhere?
No doubt, sir.
Shall I rub it?
1 minute. Done, sir.
Based on integration, just we should have some idea about these things, because after starting objective questions, they are not giving this type of question, but when it was subjective, this type of question they used to give. But we should have idea, because it will be used in some other question. C0 plus, these are variable coefficients. Find the value of this. See, whenever the binomial coefficients are multiplied by some constant, means we have to differentiate. And when it is divided by some constant, means we have to integrate. We have to integrate the same series, same expansion. So consider 1 plus x to the power n, C0 plus C1x plus Cnx to the power 1. Integrating from 0 to 1. Here, 1 plus x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, if you put the limit, it will be C0 plus C1x square by 2 0 to 1. If you put x, if you put 1, 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
If you put 1 upper limit is 2, lower limit 1 equals C0x 1 0, only C0 plus C1 by 2 1, C2 by 3. Okay. So whenever we need to multiply, whenever the binomial coefficients are multiplied by some constant, we have to differentiate. Binomial coefficients are divided by some constant, we have to integrate. By just changing the limits, we can prove all this type of identities. Okay. Shall I repeat?
1 minute, sir.
पेपर में किसी को कुछ डाउट नहीं है? All of you have done all the questions. Very good. There are two possibilities. All of you have done all the question, or none of you have done none of the question. Which one is correct? Huh?
10th and 24th question.
10th
And 24th question.
Where you sent the message?
I did not send the message, sir. I thought of saying today in class.
Okay. ठीक है. 10 and 1 minute. 24.
Yes, sir.
Just I will finish this integral part, then I will start this.
Yes, sir.
Next, C0 minus, just by interchanging, just by changing the limits, we can prove this. C0 minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 minus C3 by 4 and so on. Just you tell me the limits. What limit we should put here?
-1.
Only -1.
0 to -1.
Check it. क्या होगा? 0
The
to
answer is
-1.
1 by n plus 1.
Answer is 1 by n plus 1. That is correct. But what should be the limit?
-1 to 0.
Correct. -1 to 0, not 0 to -1. Integrating from -1 to 0. That's it. Okay. Understood? Isaac.
Yes, sir.
जल्दीबाजी नहीं करना है. Just by changing the limits, we can prove this kind of identity. Next, C0, just write only limits. C0 plus C2 by 3 plus C4 by 5. So here C1 into X, C3 into X cube, all terms vanishes. And those are odd degree polynomial. So what should be the limit here? Jaldi bolo, what should be the limit?
-1 to 1, sir.
Correct. So that odd C1x, this integration will be 0. C3x cube, that integration will be 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
एक और करो.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. This hint is sufficient. No need to do.
Okay, okay, sir.
Simple integration. Next, 3 into C0 plus 3 square into C1 by 2 3 cube into C2 by 3 plus 3 to the power n plus 1 Cn. By n plus 1. Just tell me the limits only. Because denominator part is divided, so we have to integrate. See, if you put what limit we should put so that it will be after integration, x cube by 3. Just tell me the limits.
Zero to 3.
Correct. Take the same series integrating from 0 to 3. Okay, we should have the idea how to do it. Don't spend much time in all this type of question. So I'm rubbing it. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Come to question paper, question number 8, you said.
10 and 24.
8 or 10? Which one?
10 and 24.
10 and 24,
18
sir.
also,
10
sir.
and 24.
10 and 24.
18 also, sir.
So alpha beta roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c, then 1 plus alpha square. He said alpha and beta are real roots. Means alpha is real. If x is real, what is this value? If x is real,
Positive.
always positive. So,
Yes, sir.
so they say this is root, that's why you get confused. Let alpha beta be the roots of some equation. We don't bother about that. Okay, if it's real, it's always positive. So 1 plus alpha square is always positive. 1 plus beta square is always positive. Let it be roots of some equation x, y, z.
Okay, sir.
Next, 24. Understood or not?
Understood,
sir.
sir.
24. Integral values of a for which x minus 10 into x minus a has one integral root. It's also one line question. X minus 10 into x minus a equal to 1. We are looking for integral roots. Means x is integer. Okay? X is integer, a is integer. It means this is integer, the whole factor is integer, x is integer, so this factor is integer and a is integer.
Yes, sir.
Both the factors are integer. Both the factors are integer. What are the possibilities? यही होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Only possibilities are this factor equal to 1, this factor equal to 1. So x is 11. If x is 11, then a is 11 minus a is 1. X minus 10 equal
Is
to
10, sir.
x is 11. Huh? So 11 minus a equal to 1. So a is 10. One value of a is this. Other possibility is x minus 10 minus 1. X is 9. If x is 9, 9 minus a is minus 1. A is ये भी possible है ना? Sorry, a is 10. Again 10.
Yes,
Both
sir.
the cases a is 10. बोला
18,
integral
sir.
roots. A is integer, x is integer. Both the factors are integer. Product of two integral factors is 1.
Yes, sir. Got it.
और कौन सा?
18th.
18. पूरा मैनिपुलेशन है. If the 9th term, you have the question paper, I am writing just
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
directly I am writing. 9th term means 10C8.
Yes, sir.
Into root 10 मैं हाफ में ले रहा हूं बाई x to the power 1/2 5 log x to the power 5 log x base 10. This to the power 2. Okay? ठीक है? And
Yes, sir.
x into x to the power 1/2 of log x base 10. Whole to the power how much? 8.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 10. Okay, this will be by 2. Again, this 2 inside x to the power 5 log x. 10C8 45 into 10 divided by x to the power 5 log x base 10. एक बार यहाँ डेवलप कैलकुलेशन, is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Into x to the power 8 into x to the power 4 by log x base
By
10.
log x base 10.
This value is given or what?
Equal to 450, sir. Equal to 450
Equal
is
to
given.
450. So this whole thing will get cancelled. So now you have to take log. Taking log both sides to the base 10. This is 1. Taking log both sides to the base 10. I am directly writing 1 by this. Log 1 is 0 minus 5 log x base 10 into log x base 10 plus 8 log x base 10 plus 4 by log x base 10 into log x base 10. Log x base 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
ठीक है. This equals 0. Log 1 is 0.
Yes, sir.
So this will get cancelled. Log x base 10 is t. Okay. So this implies minus 5t square plus 8t plus 4 equal to 0. This gives us 5t square minus 8t minus 4. 20. 10 2. 5t square minus 10t plus 2t minus 4 equal to 0. 5t. T minus 2 plus 2. So t equal to 2 or minus 2 by 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
T minus 2 into 5t plus 2. Minus 2 by 5 or 2.
2.
Let us take now log x base 10 is 2.
X is equal to 100.
X is 100. For x 100, everything is defined. Okay. Now log x base 10 is minus 2 by 5. So x is 10 to the power minus 2 by 5. Will it be defined? The rational, he is asking rational value. So 100.
100, sir. Yes.
100. This is irrational value. This is also correct because for
Yes,
that x, everything is positive. Any other?
So
Any other question?
17th one, which is the correct option sir, for that question?
Uh-huh.
17th
17
one.
getting D, sir. He is giving a.
Yes, sir.
Maybe from book only I have given. If you are giving, you are getting which one?
D.
D. 8 by 17 we are getting.
8 by 17. Let me
Yes,
do
sir.
it. Key may be wrong, some key, because it's from the books. I haven't checked. Two to the power divided by such a fractional part. 2003 by 17. ये है ना?
Yes,
Cube.
sir.
8 into 2 to the power 4
Power
into
4.
5. 500
Yes, sir.
equals 8 by 17. 17 minus 1 to the power 500.
Yes, sir.
So even power. This is-
17K plus 1.
Yes. 8 by 17 into 17K plus 1. So obviously 8 by 17 is correct. You check it.
Okay, sir.
Any other?
Sir, one more.
Which one?
For what integral values of x is x square minus 13x plus 58 square of an integer?
Question number?
21, sir.
number of integral values of x. X square minus 13x plus 58 equal to some integer. Square of some integer for some integral value of m.
Yes, sir.
X square minus 13x plus 58 minus m square. 0. Now integral roots. The equation should have integral
Discriminant.
roots.
Yes, sir. Discriminant should be perfect.
B must be perfect square. No?
Yes, sir.
B square minus 4ac equals some k square. 169 minus
232.
equals k square k plus 2m into k minus 2m.
Yes, sir.
This is how much?
Minus
कितना आएगा ये?
63.
हाँ?
Minus 63, sir.
ठीक है ये कैलकुलेशन कहीं गड़बड़ तो नहीं है?
No.
So 2m minus k into 2m plus k equals 3 square into 7. So m and k are integers. One possibility is we have to take बहुत सारा केस आ रहा है.
Sir, the key says there are 4 values for x, but while solving, I got 6 values.
See, one possibility is this is 9,
This is
7, minus 7,
This
minus
is minus
9,
7, minus 9.
3,
63 and 1, sir.
huh? 3 and
Yes.
1 is 3, other is 21,
Yes, sir.
plus minus. And 63 and 1.
63 and 1.
So 6 possible cases we have to take. Simplify. So you are getting 6 values. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
13 is the perfect square of some integer. ये बात है तो सोल्व करना पड़ेगा. But finally you have to check whether it's perfect square or not. We need value of m.
Yes, sir.
देखते हैं. For this case, what are the values? Check करो. What is m and k?
M equal to 4.
9 2m minus k. 7. 4m 16. M is 4. If m is 4, k is 1.
Yes, sir.
K also should be integer. We have to check. अच्छा, अगर ये माइनस है तो क्या होता है? If you add m is minus 4, m minus 4, if m is minus 4, minus 8, m is minus 4, minus 8 plus 7, k is minus 1, integer. Both are possible. So whether m is 4, if m is 4, obviously it will be integer.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, दूसरा देखते हैं. This is over. 21. 2m plus k equals 21 and 2m minus k is 3. Adding. M is 6. If m is 6, 12. 12 minus
Okay,
3.
equal to 9.
Okay, 9. Integer. Achha, if you take minus, what we get? Minus 24, minus 6. If it is minus 6, again integer. Whether plus 6, minus 6, same. M is
Yes, sir.
6. Last case. नहीं ये भी होगा ना. This is 9, this is 7. That is also possible. But m will remain same. M will remain.
Okay, sign will reverse, sir. Okay.
M will remain same. ठीक है. 63. 2m plus k equals 63. 2m minus k equals 1. 4. 64. 16. M16 automatically k will be integer. Reverse minus 16. Let us check here. For M4, x square minus 13x 16 plus 58 minus 16 is how much? 42. X square minus 13x plus 42. देखो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. Square of some integer. What is x? क्या आ रहा है? X square minus b plus minus root of b square.
1 RS.
Huh?
Discriminant is 1.
Let discriminant be 1.
Yes, sir.
But we should get some integral x here. We are not getting.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
We are not getting. See, I told you that is the necessary condition, not sufficient, because denominator part is 2a. X equal to minus b plus
So
minus
we are
root of
getting
b.
integer values.
Huh?
We are
10
getting
plus or
integers,
minus 1 by
6 and
2.
7.
No, it should be square of some integer. This expression. No, it means this should give us integral roots.
Yes, sir. 6
7.
and 7.
Correct. X minus 7 into. ठीक है. 6 and 7. X, the value of x is. For integral values of x 6 and 7, this quantity is square of some integer. Check it. 49. Definitely it will, because we are getting integral value. So one set of values of x is 6 and 7. Okay. Now for M6, 36. X square minus 13x plus 58 minus 36. How much? 22.
Yes, sir. We are getting for x equal to 7, 16. We are getting 4 square. X equal to 7.
For x 6 and 7, definitely it will be perfect square. That is good.
Yes.
Here 11, 2. What are the factors? X minus 2 into x minus 11. Here also we are getting integer. For x equal to 2 and 11, this will be square of some integer. Okay. Last
Yes,
case is M16. For M16, x square minus 13x, 58 minus 16 into 16. कितना होता है? 256. Check करो. 16 into 16 is 16 into 16. अभी तक कोई नहीं बोल रहा है.
Yes, sir. Correct.
256. So this will be minus 202. और 198
minus 198 will get.
minus 198. तो एक तो आया ये 2 11 6 7. What is the question? Number of integral values of x. ठीक है. Now what are the roots of this factorization? चलो x का वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं. माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर
Then plus or minus 31 by 2, sir.
बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2. 13 प्लस माइनस आएगा 169 प्लस 792. कितना आएगा? 911
Plus 31 square, sir.
31 square.
Yes.
Means we are getting square of some integer.
No, sir. 13 plus or minus 31 by 2 we will get, sir.
अच्छा, not integer. 13 प्लस माइनस देखे दो. 961. The perfect square of which quantity?
31.
31.
31, sir.
हाँ तो ठीक है, इवन ही आएगा. इंटीजर तो आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you take plus 22,
Yes, sir.
x is 22. If you take minus
Minus 9.
minus 18 minus 9
900.
minus 9. ठीक है. He is asking only number of integral values, so we will consider minus 9 also. ठीक है. 6 values 6 कर देना वहां पे. Change the key. Okay. Number of
Yes,
integral
sir.
values of x for which this is perfect square of some integer. और कोई?
No, sir.
ठीक है, डिस्कनेक्ट कर रहा हूं मैं.
Thank you, sir. Bas. Allah Hafiz.